Okay, let's talk about A minor. A minor looks like that. Okay, so the layout is point the finger, first fret of the B string, your middle finger is the second fret of the D string, and your ring finger is the second fret of the G string. It's one of those chords that are generally better just to strum 5 strings. So you would strum from the A, okay? So now again, it's a downstroke, down strum, up pick, and if we go the other way, we have an up strum, then the pick is in a down slant. And the chord, A minor, looks like that.